the Lotos CT520D. The Lotos CT520D has a lot going for it. It's a 3-in-1 unit that's capable of cutting, TIG welding, and stick welding. The unit is substantially larger than the Ramson, weighing in at almost 32 pounds. But with the extra capability this unit provides, it can pretty much eliminate 2 tools from your shop. While the maximum cut thickness of 1/2 inch isn't quite as high as that of the Ramson, the unit is dual voltage, so it can be used with both 110 or 220 volts. It also incorporates the ability to perform TIG welding, which makes it a powerful budget price tool. While the performance doesn't match the Ramson, the fact that it's such a flexible tool definitely justifies the higher price. When you take into consideration the fact that it eliminates the need for a TIG and stick welder if you need those, then it is very reasonably priced. All of the connections on the unit are quick and straightforward. A longer ground cable would be beneficial, and you may wish to consider purchasing this along with the unit. If you're planning on using this for welding, you'll most likely want to purchase a foot pedal as well. To sum up, if you're in the market for an inexpensive plasma cutting tool, the CT520 offers great flexibility. As with the Ramson, it's not in the same league as the Millers and Hobarts, but cuts at a 1/2 inch and below are clean and quick. In this regard, it falls a bit behind the Ramson. On the flip side, this unit also offers DC-only TIG welding capability. For the price, that combination offers great value. This Lotos CT520D plasma cutter is one of the best sellers on Amazon in its category, and we've put a link to that product in the description section below so you can check it out.